select new and choose metric templates, choose standard mm, metric, choose standard to start to this cache. Okay, select XY plane, then select circle center point, then make a circle at the origin 50 mm diameter, and make another circle here 30 mm diameter, and at the side 30 mm diameter. Then we constrain this center point of the circle here. Use a horizontal constraint, center point here to the center point at the origin, and center point here to the center point at the origin. Okay, then dimension the distance from here 35, and the distance from here to here 70. Okay, then create a line here, and okay, you just draw. Okay, then constrain the tangent, use tangent constraint to constrain this line to this circle. Okay, okay, now we trim this geometry. And you can delete the line. Okay, then make a circle at this point, 12 mm diameter, and another at this point 12 mm diameter. Then finish sketch. Now we extrude this profile. Okay, 10 mm. Okay, then we can change the home view for this part. Okay, you rotate this part. Okay, let's say I want to make the view here. You can go to the cube view and click at this stage here, and then go to the small arrow here, click here, and go to set current view as home, choose a fit distance. So if you rotate this part, then you click at the home view, it will go to the setting of home view we set before. Now we want to set this point view as a front view, so choose look at here and go to the origin at the model browser here, and choose a plane at Z plane here. So this is our view, and then go to the cube view here and go to this arrow and set current view as front view. So it will change this view to the new view, is front view. Okay, then I want to sketch here at the surface here. You can right click here and create a new sketch. Okay, and create a circle, center point circle 50 mm diameter, and click finish sketch. Extrude it for 28. Okay. Then I want to make a hole here. Select hole, and I want to use a counter bore hole. Then select the position of the hole. So we just select at this surface. Okay. Then we set the diameter. Here is 30. And the distance here is 6 mm, and the below is 20 mm. Okay. Then you can click OK first. Then we want to make this hole at the center point of this circle. So go to the hole here, expand, and go to the sketch. Double click the sketch to edit. Okay, then this is a center point of the hole we create before. We want to bring it to the center point here. So use a coincident constraint here. Select the center point hole and select the center point of the circle here. Then finish sketch. So it will arrange the center point. Then I want to make a hole. Go to sketch and choose YZ plane. Okay. Then you can view the cutting slice graphic view here. Then you can activate the slice graphic view here. Then create a circle here at the center, and the diameter is 12 mm. The diameter is 6 mm, and then dimension it from the top is 12. Okay, and from this side is 15. Okay, and finish sketch. Now we can choose extrude and direction, flip the direction, and the output is cutting. Then you can choose to next. Okay, you can check. Okay, the hole is look good. Then click OK. Now we apply this part. The material we want is aluminium 6061. Okay, then go to file, then check the eye properties of this material. Go to physical and update. So this is the density. If we can choose low, medium, high, or very high density, and the mass of this part is 0.2 kg. So you can close and save your part. It's saved at your folder as shaft support. Okay, click save and go to new. Choose metric templates and go to drawing and choose ISO and create. So first we manage our style, drawing style. Go to manage and style editor, choose default standard ISO, and you can change the projection type, the angle. Okay, save. Now place your view. Okay, first I want to place a top view of this part. So click OK. And you can drag it here. Then I want to make a section view for this part. Select section view and select the view. Okay, drag your mouse to the center of this hole and drag it at the left and left click once and drag your mouse to the right and left click again and right click and continue. Then you drag your mouse, okay, below and left click. So this is a section view for this part, for this top view. Then I want to project this view. Okay, I want to project this view. Click the view here and select the left side view. Okay, right click, left click once and right click and click. Okay, so you can arrange this view. Okay, and you can change the style of this view. Okay, style, you can untick style from base if you want. Then I want to show the hidden line here. Okay, choose a style and show the hidden line. Okay, then go to annotate and create a center mark here and center line here and here. Okay, now I want to dimension this. So first I want to dimension this circle. Okay, we can change the style here, right click and go to option. I want to single dimension. Okay, okay, you can arrange this view, the button here. Okay, now I want to place an isometric view. Go to base and select your home view. Okay, then click OK, and you can drag this view at this side and you can change the style of this view. I want to shade it, and then we can remove the, go to display option, we can remove the tangent edge here. Okay, click OK. So okay, then we can name this, we can visible the view here, change as a top view. Click OK. Then create a text here. Type and material, use aluminium 60C1, and the mesh. Okay, we check first the mesh of this part. Go to the part and you can go to eye properties and physical. The mesh is 0.2 kg. Okay, double click it if you want to edit. 0.2 kg. Then click OK. Now we can save our drawing. Okay, and then we can save as in PDF file. Save copy as. Choose PDF here and save it. Okay, so this is our PDF file for our drawing. Okay, now we have finished our drawing. So we also can change or edit the definition at the title block here. So go to model browser, right click at the ISO and edit definition. Change your name here or your company. And the title here if you want change. Sharp support. Okay, click finish cache and save. Okay, now the definition is changed. Okay, you can save again. Okay, we have finished our drawing and our parts.